आज दिनांक 22 अगस्त को BRMGSS के असम के अफसरों ने रंगिया रेलवे डिविजनल मैनेजर, डिविजनल सिक्योरिटी कमिश्नर और सुपरिंटेंडेंट ऑफ रंगिया स्टेशन के साथ एक सफल बैठक की और महामंत्री जी के कैंपेन के लिए महत्वपूर्ण बिंदुओं पर भी चर्चा हुआ। Today on the 5th of August, 2022, as ordered by the Union National in charge Shri Manoranjan Kumar Paswan, BRMGSS Committee of Assam had a very successful meeting in the office of Rangia Divisional Railway Manager, Divisional Security Commissioner alongside Superintendent of Rangia Station and discussed on the upcoming events as of when Union Mahamantri Sri Arun Kumar Paswan will start his campaign and about all the necessary preparations and precautions for a successful campaign.